Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer EV charger status to HomeKit, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your EV charger is compatible with HomeKit. Power on your EV charger and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Download and install the manufacturer's app for your EV charger on your smartphone. Open the app and navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option to enable HomeKit integration. Follow the prompts to link your charger with the HomeKit system. You may be required to scan a QR code found in the charger's app. After scanning, confirm the connection to HomeKit. Open the Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Your EV charger should now appear in the list of accessories. Tap on the newly added charger to access its settings. Customize any preferences, such as naming the charger for easy identification. You can also set up automation rules for charging times. Test the integration by turning the charger on and off through the Home app. Ensure that all features, like status monitoring, are functioning properly. If any issues arise, refer to the troubleshooting section of the manufacturer's app. Once everything is set up, enjoy the convenience of controlling your EV charger through HomeKit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.